it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about a creative way to display wine bottles or anything that you like in like a game room or fun area. So this is actually chalkboard paint, which I love because it makes it look really chic, and it's black and it's fun. And then they've taken chalk or like the chalkboard pens that you can buy, and they've labeled it so like if they ever want to change it, all it is just kind of brushing the paint over on the wall, and it creates like a cute, fun display. You can do different popcorns or candies in a game room or media room and label them, and it's just something that's sort of fun and creative and different, and it adds a lot, and it's a simple gallon of paint, $32 for chalkboard paint. I've also seen people use chalkboard paint if you have like an old refrigerator that's like white or beige that you don't use anymore. You could paint it with the chalkboard paint and then put it in your kitchen and write fun notes with your kids and different things like that. So chalkboard paint is really fun and adds a whole lot, and that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone's living just fancier.